Doctor, why don't you just stay here? Maybe a look at the real thing will inspire you for your speech.
Please just stay here. Don't leave this room till I get back, okay?
This chart maps all the security elements for the big day. And as usual in these circumstances, I've given the operation a code name, which is Operation Whistler's Mother. It's not a snazzy title, but I think it works. Fear not, gentlemen. With the system we've put in here, nothing will touch that painting short of an earthquake that brings down the whole gallery.